In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the text background color in Google Docs step by step. Whether you're trying to highlight important information, make your notes easier to read, or you simply want to organize your document more clearly, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And don't worry, the process is super easy once you know where everything is located. First, open Google Docs in your browser and choose the document you want to work on. Once your document loads, scroll to the section you want to adjust and highlight the text whose background color you want to change. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, go to the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over Paragraph Styles and then click on Borders and Shading. This is where Google Docs gives you full control over how your text looks. Once the Borders and Shading window opens, you'll see a section labeled Background Color. Click on the small color icon next to it and a color palette will appear. From here, you can choose any color you like, whether it's a soft pastel for studying, a bright highlight for important notes, or a subtle shade for professional documents. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Everything is designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you've only selected the text you want to change, otherwise the color might apply to an entire paragraph. Preview the color choices in the palette before clicking Apply, and if you're using this in a shared document, consider choosing colors that remain readable for everyone. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary formatting issues. Once you've chosen your color, click Apply. After that, you should see your selected text instantly update with the new background color. If you want to adjust it again, just repeat the same steps. Google Docs will let you switch as many times as you want. It's also a good idea to check how the text looks in print layout mode to make sure the color appears exactly the way you want. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change the text background color in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?